Today on Unbox Daily, I went shopping and found Hello Kitty Barbie fashion packs. I found all of these at Walmart for about $5. Look at that top! Look at that purse! Wow! I found 5 different clothing packs. On the side of the box, you can see My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Chococat. Let's take them out of the box so I can try them on. Yeah!
Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt.
Here we have a gray Hello Kitty shirt with pink stitching around the sleeves and neck. It tucks under at the bottom and looks like it is tied in the front. It comes with a pink letter print skirt with an elastic waistband, flower bracelet, and a pink bow headband. The skirt is a little loose. It might fit a curvy Barbie a little better. Hand it over. Aww. Yep, I think this outfit fits the curvy Barbie better. The top is a little snug, but I like the overall look. Here we have a blue and black Chococat dress. It is sleeveless with black stitching and a ruffle at the bottom. The front is a cotton print, and on the back, it is a solid blue with a little stretch. It comes with a black cat ear headband and a plastic pink tote purse. The top of the bag is open, so you can put stuff in it. This outfit is a good fit. I know, right? I am super cute. But I am curious to see if it'll fit our curvy Barbie. Seriously? Fine, but you're gonna have to give this one back. This dress fits the curvy Barbie perfectly. Sophie is ready for a day out in this My Melody outfit. It has a pink sleeveless shirt with dark pink stitching, a white skirt with pink print and black stitching. The back of the skirt is a solid white and has stretch, and the skirt has an elastic waistband in the back. This outfit comes with metallic sunglasses and a white watch. I love the printed top. I think it is super cute. And I can already tell that the skirt will fit a curvy Barbie. Yep, it fits. This t-shirt says, Little Twin Stars. This is a white t-shirt with extra wide sleeves, with pink stitching around the edges. It has a purple printed skirt, where the print goes all the way around. The skirt has an elastic waistband and stops right at the knee. It comes with a star necklace and a pastel yellow star purse. I love the sleeves on the top. I would have liked for the skirt to have been a little more fitted. However, it seems like they are making these outfits to fit more than one body type, so the looseness is understandable. Now, this outfit is my absolute favorite. It is a simple short sleeve dress with a red background and a Hello Kitty print. There are even a few speech bubbles that say Hello Kitty. And yes, the print goes all the way around. It has a white faux leather collar, comes with sunglasses, and a translucent Hello Kitty purse. The purse does not open, but it's super cute, so I can live with that. Love this outfit. I know, right? I look awesome. Let us know which outfit was your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.